In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide tagged photos on Instagram. So first, let's go to Instagram, and then let's tap on the profile button at the bottom right, and then tap on the menu button, which is at the top right, and then tap on settings at the bottom, and then go to privacy and go to tags, and then tag on manually approved tags, and from here you could see your tagged photos. So tap on one of that, and then tap on the menu button, which is the three buttons, and then go to hide options, and from here you could hide from profile. And now you've hidden that post from your profile. So what if you want to unhide that photo again? What you want to do is to go to search, and then search for the profile that tagged you. Tap on them, tap on the photo that you were tagged on, tap once on the photo, tap on your name, and then tap on show in profile. So that is how you hide and unhide tagged photos on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.